In this video, you'll learn how to collaborate in Google Drive, use video conferencing with Meet while working on a Drive file, and more. When your students need to collaborate on an assignment or project, they can use Drive to create and share individual files or a folder with multiple files. To share a folder and all the files in it, go to drive.google.com and click into the folder you want to share. Click the arrow next to the folder name and click Share. Start typing the names of the people you want to share with. If they're a part of your organization, their names will pop up. Add your group and click Done. All new files created inside that shared folder will be shared with the same people who have access to the folder. If you want to share an individual file, either right-click on the file name in Drive and then click Share, or click into the file and click Share in the upper right corner. Then add the names of the people you want to share with. If your school district is using the Education Standard or Education Plus editions of Google Workspace for Education, your system administrator can set up target audiences, which makes sharing even easier. Setting up a target audience allows you and your students to share files with a specific group of people, like just your classroom or a student club, without having to type the names of all individual students. Under General Access, click the arrow next to the restricted to see your target audiences. If there are no target audiences set up, talk to your systems administrator to see if this is an option for you. Another collaboration feature is built-in video conferencing with Google Meet. This gives you and your students the ability to host a video conference right inside the doc, slides, or sheet you are working on together. Click the Meet icon in the upper right corner of your file, click Start New Meeting. Your video meeting will begin in the sidebar next to your file. Copy the Meet link and send it to your collaborators to join the meeting. Once you're in the meeting together, share the link to the file with the group. They will have the option to move the meeting to their sidebar as well. Let's review one more useful feature called Originality Reports. You and your students can use Originality Reports to check work for authenticity. When you run a report, it compares a student's Google Docs or Slides file against web pages and books on the internet. The report links to detected sources and flags uncited text. If your administrator has enabled school matches, the report will also check against previous student submissions from your school or district. In addition, students' work is copied to the school's matches corpus so that it can be compared to other students' work. If you have a Google Workspace for Education Fundamentals or Education Standard account, you can turn on Originality Reports for 5 assignments per class. To get unlimited Originality Reports, ask your Google Workspace administrator to get the Teaching and Learning upgrade or upgrade to Google Workspace for Education Plus. You can turn on Originality Reports when you create an assignment in Google Classroom. On the classwork page, click Create, then click Assignment. Set up the assignment as needed and make sure to check the box next to Check Plagiarism, Originality. When you turn on Originality Reports for an assignment, students can run 3 reports on their work before they turn it in. You can't see the reports students run. After students run their last report, they can continue to work on the assignment before turning it in. With Google Drive, it's easier than ever to facilitate collaboration amongst your students.